Okay, so earlier this week, I was building my first autonomous agent in Copilot Studio, following along to Lisa Crosbie's tutorial on YouTube. Lisa, thank you. I love your work. You are amazing. And Lisa kept saying one thing again and again in her tutorial that was the key to winning in the world of agentic AI, and it's probably going to shock you. All right, so what did Lisa keep saying? The word she used over and over again is language. Now you're sitting there thinking, what's the big deal? Language is the third L in LLM. It's not like you just discovered the Da Vinci Code here, Nathan. Well, think about it. As you're going through building your agent, what are you doing? You're not writing code anymore. You're writing sentences. You're using language. Now, most of us have been writing sentences since the first grade, but the reality is that we all struggle with written communications. We've all sent that email that prompted 30 emails just to figure out what we meant in the first place. And in the world of agentic AI, that's courting disaster. Why? Because if you do not give your agents clear, concise, unambiguous, non conflicting instructions, they're either not going to do what you want, or they're going to interpret what they thought you meant and start doing what they interpreted you to mean, which could really cause disasters as they can be hooked up to automated processes and start doing all kinds of things that you don't want in your environment. So, clear, concise, written language communications is the key to winning in this world of autonomous agentic AI. Okay, so how do you get there? Well, there's three key things that you can do to get really good with your written communication so that you can win in this world of agents. Number one, just spend time writing every day. Write prompts, write instructions. Whether you're doing it in Copilot Studio yourself, or you're doing it in Word or OneNote, doesn't matter. Just spend time writing out instructions that you would give to a bot or to an agent so that you get used to interacting with AI in this way, because it is a different way of interacting with software than we have traditionally. And frankly, those of us who come from a technical or semi technical background are at a bit of a disadvantage here because we're used to working with code or low code, whereas now we just use sentences. So get busy just writing every day, writing out prompts, writing out instructions. Secondly, this is kind of a weird one. Spend time reading every day. The best writers in the world spend a good chunk of their day reading. Why? Because when you read the best writing, you start to pick up how to do the best writing. It just happens naturally. So if you spend time reading every day, you're just going to naturally absorb how to communicate in written format well. So spend time writing every day, spend time reading every day. And then lastly, look at investing in yourself. Look at a course or something like that. My personal go to would be Mark and Meg Smith's 90-Day Mentoring Challenge. Literally, the first module of this course is called Communicating for Impact. So, your first couple weeks in this course is going to teach you everything you need to know about how to be a fantastic written communicator so that you can go and win in this world of autonomous agentic AI. All right, so that's it from me. The key to winning in this world of autonomous agents, get really good with language, particularly written language. You know what we say? Go do something awesome on the Power Platform today, and I'll talk to you all soon.